The program has an international reputation, so it's the best option that somebody as a researcher, as a young researcher, should look for. The idea of applying with Graz comes because it's very much a hub of the expertise that I was looking for. It has the right combination of not a big city where you could be lost, but also a city that can offer you, like in terms of a social life, which can be manageable at the same time. My child now is in the kindergarten, my wife is looking for a PhD, so life's come much more easy. It's not only on one direction, but it offers a kind of family package for the young researchers, so that's something to be appreciated. The university helped me with fulfilling the application, both from the administrative staff but also on the content base, like with the center that I would cooperate.
In my view, the Marie Curie Fellowship is probably the most attractive and prestigious postdoc research grant available. It allows the applicants to freely choose a scientific topic, cooperation partners and the location.
Unigraz has established a workshop and invite all external postdocs to come to Graz covering their travel expenses. They offer you valuable background information to help you draft a competitive proposal.
In recent years, we could secure several Marie Curie fellowships to our university. During and after the application, we will support you and hopefully can welcome you soon at our university in Graz.